A big shout out to Anchor for making the best podcast in the whole wide universe possible. Thank you, Anchor, for letting us create easily a podcast like this, And if you wanted to try out Anchor, just go to anchor.fm/start and try. Download their app, guys, and start creating your own podcast. Start earning money with it, Start expressing yourself. Go ahead, record, and have fun. Have fun with this podcast. Thank you, Anchor, for making this podcast possible. Thank you so much. Now, back to the episode.
What is up sa inyo, extraordinary people? Welcome back. This is again your host, Trap, and this is Not Your Ordinary Podcast. So for this episode, tara mag-usap-usap tayo. Usap nga tayo tungkol sa mga issue na nangyayari dito sa bansa natin recently, especially sa Twitter, sa Facebook, sa mga social media accounts na talagang ang ingay ng issue na to. Maging sa YouTube, ang dami kong nakikitang video patungkol dito. Recently kasi, merong isang TikToker na sa Korea wherein gumawa siya ng isang TikTok video and then nakita yung kanyang tattoo sa kanyang kamay na merong parang ray of suns ng Japanese ganon. And then nabash siya ng maraming Koreano kasi napaka-insensitive daw ng tattoo niya para sa mga Koreano kasi yung tattoo pala niya nagsisimbolize ng something about Japanese colonization, ganyan-ganyan, na para sa kanila masama daw yung symbol na yon kasi nga, di ba dati merong digmaan between Korea and Japan and para sa kanila masama yung symbol na yon. And ayun, nabash yung babae na isa palang Filipina. Ang dami niyang natanggap na hate comments, although later on she apologized and said na tatakpan niya daw yung tattoo niya. She apologized to the Koreans, pero etong mga Koreano, mga gigil na gigil. No, talagang hindi lang yung babae yung binash nila, dinamay na pati yung bansa natin, calling our race idiots, calling us ugly, calling our country poor, and putting on some racist comments about our nationality, about our race, about our country. So ang daming hate comments, hate posts, hate statements, na mga trash talk na nilabas ng mga Koreans against Filipinos. And then eto na, nag-spark up ang pagiging nationalismo nating mga Pinoy. Andito na talaga namang hindi lang nanood at nagbasa ang mga kababayan natin. Andito talaga namang lumaban, ano. Andito na, kaya nga they fought fire with fire. So Koreans giving racist comments about us. Eto ng mga Pilipino also gave racist comments about Koreans. Calling Koreans also idiots for them to be not able to speak English fluently, for them to be the top country with the most plastic surgeries, at kung ano-ano pang mga bagay. Well, what I'm saying here is that racism and hate comments between these two countries, for me, it is not good. I mean, racism is not good at all. Nakita natin kung ano nangyayari ngayon sa Amerika dahil sa racism na nangyayari na nadadanasan ng mga African Americans doon. And parang umabot na hanggang ganito, sa punto na ganito, na both Koreans and both Filipinos andito na yung mga netizens, parang dumating na sa point na pareho na tayong nagiging racist with each other. So nag-trending etong mga bagay na to, wherein Filipinos are also saying na before they become K-drama fans, before they become K-pop fans, they were a Filipino first. And they are also saying that they are willing to put down their light sticks in order for them to raise their flags. Our flag. Now let's take a deeper look about this issue. Bakit ba galit na galit ang mga Pilipino dito? So I am going to give you my humble opinions and thoughts. So alam nyo naman na we are in a free country wherein we can express our freedom of speech, kaya I am gonna use that privilege to talk about this. So me myself, I am a fan of K-pop groups, namely Blackpink, Red Velvet, and of course Twice. So yan yung mga K-pop groups na talaga namang mahal na mahal ko at gustong-gustong pakinggan ng mga music and panoorin ng mga reality shows nila. Alam niyo yun, parang nagbibigay lang siya ng positive energy, positive vibe, and nagpapasaya siya sa buhay mo kapag nakikinig at nanonood ka sa nila. Not just about their music, not just about their dances, but their personalities as well. The Korean artists, being a Korean artist, a Korean idol, a Korean pop idol, and having or possessing that kind personality, sweet and cute personality, it just amazes me. Kasi even though ganito sila, malalaking tao sila, but they are still humble, they are still lovable to their fans, and they have a disciplined and cute personality, kaya that makes me admire them. Yes, they are Koreans and I admire them. And I am also very fond of Korean dramas, of K-dramas. I watch a lot of K-dramas. Magaganda yung entertainment nila, magaganda yung plots, yung mga storylines ng kanilang mga dramas. And that makes us discover and respect and be amazed by their country, by the places in their country, by the scenery, by the infrastructures, by the nature, and even by the culture, the Korean culture itself. The way they speak, the foods they eat, the way they act, the way they dress, the way they give respect to other people. But here in this scenario, parang although Philippines is a big fan base of Koreans, although a lot of Filipinos or almost every Filipino looks up to Korea, respects Korea, etong mga Koreano parang hindi nila pinapahalagahan yon in the way they acted, no? Of course, I am not addressing the whole country. I'm not generally speaking to the whole, but for those people na yun nga nagpost ng mga gantong comment patungkol sa bansa natin, parang nakakalungkot lang isipin na alam niyo yun, iniidolo natin sila, nire-respeto natin sila, gustong-gusto natin sila, gusto nating ma-experience yung na-experience nila, pero ganun pala yung tingin nila sa atin. 'Di ba? Parang ang sakit nun. Mali sila doon. Of course, mali sila doon. Even though parang na-offend sila, parang they took personally yung tattoo na meron yung isang TikTok influencer na Filipina. Pero is that enough reason to post and spread hate comments and absurd and racist comments? about Filipinos, about our country. Sapat ba yun? I think not. I personally think not. So I'm saying na they are wrong. Kaya naintindihan ko rin ng mga Pilipino kung bakit galit na galit sila, yung mga netizens natin dyan, kung bakit galit na ganito, gumanti din sila. Pero yung ginawa nilang pagganti, they did it in a unhealthy way also. Tayo kasi mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa ganyan kapag may natanggap tayong mali, gusto natin bawian agad yung gumawa sa atin. Ayan yung ginawa ng mga iba sa atin. Of course, again, I am not speaking generally, I am not speaking to the whole Filipino community, but for those people na yun nga, nag-post din, nag-comment din ng mga ganito, hate comments, absurd comments about them, racist comments about them. Alam niyo yun, hindi talaga maganda. Kaya I can say also na yung ginawa ng mga ibang Pilipino, yung mga pinost at kinoment ng ibang mga Pilipino ay hindi rin tama. Okay? So let me tell you this, bago ka mag-post, mag-comment, or magsabi ng kahit anumang saloobin mo patungkol sa isang issue, make sure first that you are not going to be a racist. Kasi racism is such a bad thing. And to the highest point, racism kills lives. It is evident in other countries, and there are some cases also here in our country, of course. So before you say anything about a certain issue, make sure first that you are not going to discriminate anybody. Make sure that you can think of a way wherein you can express your thoughts in a healthy, constructive criticism or in any criticism way. Wag yung puro lang hate comments na wala namang silbi, na ang point lang is mag-hate, makapanakit. Mali yun. Come on guys, we are already in the 21st century wherein the use of social media is very evident. It is part of the culture, it is part of the new norm, it is part of our daily lives na. Kaya wag natin hayaan na yung social media natin ay maging toxic na nga, di ba? Wag na nating hayaang tumoxic pa ng tumoxic. So let's not become clowns. Let's not become crab mentalized persons. I'm not saying na entirely mali yung ginawa ng mga Pilipino. Deep inside, I am proud na pinaglaban nila yung bansa natin even though they are fans of Koreans. Pero yung nationalism nandun pa rin. Pero what I'm saying here is that mali sila dun sa point na naging racist na sila towards dun sa mga Koreans. Na ginajudge na natin yung appearance nila, yung culture nila, and even dinidiscriminate na natin sila. So before we get mad about them being racist to us, and before we got mad and putting on racist remarks on them too, let us first reflect on ourselves. Hindi ba talaga namang nagiging racist din tayo sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino? Andyan yung binebelittle natin, yung mga Bisaya. Andyan yung tingin natin sa mga Muslim terorista, calling them such names, and judging others, our fellow Filipino pa, based on their skin color, calling yung mga may itim as negro, and other stuff like that. So, bago tayo masaktan sa sinasabi ng iba, hindi ba tayo nasasaktan sa mga sinasabi natin, sa mga sarili nating kalahi pa mismo? So, hindi ako galit na pinaglalaban ninyo yung Pilipinas, hindi ako galit na meron kayong nationalismo dyan sa puso nyo, but nagagalit ako sa racism, nagagalit ako sa discrimination, nagagalit ako sa mga taong ganyan. So it's time for us to reflect on that and change that. So yes, I am mad, about Koreans spreading hate comments and hate posts on us, pero hindi naman lahat ganun ang tingin sa atin. And hindi rin naman lahat ng Pilipino ganun ang tingin sa Korea. And in the end, ang issue na to, so both sides apologizes. So nag-trending sa Twitter Philippines and sa Korea ang sorry to Filipinos. Andyan yung nag-sorry yung mga Koreans sa ating mga Pilipino kung ano yung mga inasal ng ibang mga Koreano patungkol sa atin. And andyan din, nag-sorry din naman yung mga kapwa natin Pilipino patungkol sa mga sinabi nila sa mga Koreano. So in the end, Koreans and Filipinos, we are still friends. We are both Asians. We have the same Asian blood running towards us. Kaya let's not hate on with each other. Let's just live happy lives. Let's just respect each other's cultures. And before we talk about something, ayun nga tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, let us first make sure that we are not going to discriminate others and we are not going to be racists. Galit ako sa racism. Sana kayo din. End racism now. All lives matter.